Here is our list of the best Samsung phones you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a flagship smartphone blending premium design, top-tier performance, and advanced AI features. It boasts a sleek titanium frame, rounded edges, Corning Gorilla Armor 2 protection, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, with an integrated S Pen for productivity. Its 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display delivers QHD+ resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2600 nits brightness for exceptional clarity. Powered by the custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, it runs Android 15 with One UI 7. The quad-rear camera system features a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, a 10-megapixel telephoto, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the 12-megapixel front camera and AI tools enhance photography with features like nightography and up to 100x digital zoom. A 5000 mAh battery supports 45-watt wired fast charging, fast wireless charging, and wireless power share. Memory options start at 12GB RAM with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB storage. As part of Samsung's Galaxy AI initiative, it offers tools like Circle to Search, Seamless Actions, Now Brief, Live Translate, Interpreter, and Photo Assist, enabling smarter multitasking, real-time translations, and advanced photo editing. This makes the S25 Ultra a powerhouse for performance, creativity, and AI-driven convenience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's most advanced flagship foldable, emphasizing a slimmer, lighter design and significant camera upgrades. Weighing 215 grams and just 4.2 millimeters thick when unfolded, it uses a redesigned Armor aluminum frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front, and Victus 2 on the back, with IP48 water and dust resistance. It features two dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with 120Hz adaptive refresh rates, a larger 6.5-inch cover screen for traditional smartphone use, and an 8-inch main foldable screen for immersive multitasking. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, it offers 12GB RAM, 16GB on 1TB model, and storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB, running Android 16 with One UI 8 and 7 years of updates. The upgraded triple-rear camera system includes a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 12-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus, and 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, plus two 10-megapixel front cameras, one on each display, while the main camera supports 8K video at 30 frames per second. Its 4,400 mAh battery, though unchanged in capacity, benefits from optimizations for better endurance and supports 25-watt wired, 15-watt wireless, and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging. Integrated Galaxy AI features such as Circle to Search, Live Translate, Now Brief, and Photo Assist, alongside S Pen and Samsung DeX support, make it a productivity powerhouse. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is a premium smartphone focused on delivering high-end performance within an exceptionally slim 5.8mm profile, making it the slimmest Galaxy S model yet. Built with a durable titanium frame, it features Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, along with IP68 water and dust resistance. The 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display offers Quad HD+ resolution, an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate that can drop to 1 Hz for efficiency, peak brightness of 2600 nits, and Ceramic 2 protection. Powered by the custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, it includes 12GB RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB, running Android 15 with One UI 7 and a promised 7 years of updates. The dual rear camera setup includes a 200-megapixel wide-angle primary lens with OIS and 2x optical quality zoom, plus a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the 12-megapixel front camera delivers clear selfies. Enhanced by the Pro Visual Engine, AI-powered nightography, and audio eraser for video, it excels in imaging. A 3,900 mAh battery supports 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging, optimized for all-day performance despite its slim build. Integrated Galaxy AI features include Circle to Search, Live Translate, Now Brief, and Photo Assist, enhancing productivity and creativity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a clamshell-style foldable phone that brings major upgrades in functionality, durability, and performance. It features a thinner, lighter build with an Armor aluminum frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and an IP48 rating for water and minimal dust resistance. The redesigned hinge ensures smoother folding and improved longevity. The main 6.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers 2520 by 1080 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, while the upgraded 4.1-inch edge-to-edge Flex Window Super AMOLED cover screen also supports 120Hz and reaches 2600 nits brightness, enabling more tasks without unfolding the device. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 Deca-core chipset, it comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB or 512GB storage, Android 16, One UI 8, and 7 years of OS and security updates. The dual rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the 10-megapixel front camera benefits from the larger cover display for high-quality selfies. Enhanced by the Pro Visual Engine and updated nightography mode, the camera excels in low-light shooting. The 4,300 mAh battery supports 25-watt wired, 15-watt wireless, and 4.5-watt reverse charging. Integrated Galaxy AI tools, Circle to Search, Live Translate, Now Brief, and Samsung DeX make the Flip 7 more productive and versatile, setting a new standard for foldable usability. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is a mid-range smartphone, designed to deliver strong features at a more affordable price than the Galaxy S series. It sports a stylish glass back protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, a slim bezel, flat side frame, and comes in light gray, graphite, and olive colors. With an IP67 rating, it resists dust and can be submerged in up to 1 meter of fresh water for 30 minutes. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display offers Full HD Plus resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and 1900 nits peak brightness for excellent outdoor visibility. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, it runs Android 15 with One UI 7, promising 6 OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Available with 6GB, 8GB, or 12GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage, it lacks a microSD slot. Its triple rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 5-megapixel macro, while the 12-megapixel front camera supports 4K video at 30 frames per second. AI enhancements and an improved nightography mode enhance imaging performance. The 5,000 mAh battery supports 45-watt wired charging but not wireless charging. Additional features include 5G connectivity, dual SIM, in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and Galaxy AI tools like Circle to Search and Live Translate.